Hey, it's Bonita. Welcome back, and in this video we are going to talk about becoming the expert. So as a dance teacher, this is a really crucial key to success. So you've spent lots of years, you've developed your craft, you've really honed in on it, and now it's time for you to start developing a bunch of mini yous, right? So this is huge, but how do you do that? Where do you start? What's going on, right? So back to, if you are trying to land a position at a studio as a dance teacher, your first question back into the interview situation is going to be, you have a curriculum presentation. That is huge. That's not a question. You're going to present your curriculum, right? So we're meeting for the first time and you're like, how can I add value to the students? What could I do? And you wait for their response. Next is, this is what I've developed, this is what I offer as a teacher, and this is my curriculum and my class syllabus. That is huge. That speaks like, oh my gosh, that is just amazing. So it's really knowing what you do, what you offer, and becoming the expert in that field. That's all nicely packaged, and you have that so you can let them know, this is how I can add value to your business. This is how I can add value as a dance teacher. This is key. If you already teach at a place, at a studio, and they have a curriculum, fantastic. You want to always continue to evolve that curriculum. You want to say, hey, these are some new trends, new evolvements of the styles or whatever that is, right? And always, again, adding value to the current curriculum or helping develop a new one or whatever the case is. But this is, again, goes back to being that go-to person, being the one that is proactive and be the expert in the field. So with that comes that curriculum development, lesson plan development, and that is huge, right? So yes, so I hope that with these 3 videos, you got a little bit more insight from the dance studio owner as well as for the dance teacher, the 3 keys to success, which can really set you off to at least a strong start. And those 3 things, again, are look the part, rigor, and be the expert. So definitely start there and stay tuned for more to come.